Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to find sound settings on your Galaxy A52. So let's get started. Open settings, and as you can see there's this loop icon right there. You can click on it and enter sound. Oh, I can't type apparently. And as you can see at the top there are sound quality and effects settings. Just click on it and congratulations, you have found sound settings on your Samsung Galaxy A52. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.